Nordstrom Inc. reported profits and revenue above expectations, betting on strong demand for its clothing and footwear as Americans attend more social events and return to offices after the easing of COVID-19 curbs. The company is expecting increased demand for its clothing and footwear due to the increased popularity of social events and the return of people to work after the curbs. The department store chain said it expects fiscal 2022 revenue to rise between 5% and 7%, while analysts on average are forecasting a 3.66% growth. Nordstrom also estimated full-year earnings per share, excluding the impact of any potential share repurchase activity, to be between $3.15 to $3.50. Analysts on average are expecting $2.01 per share. Nordstrom's net income rose to $200 million, or $1.23 per share, in the quarter ended January 29, from $33 million, or 21 cents per share, a year earlier.